Hey everybody. About to join us on this snowmobiling adventure.
I wouldn't call this an adventure.
What do you mean? Why not?
I don't know. You wanna tell us about your snowmobile here? Your
Yeah,
sled?
you know, this is mine. I bought it with all my mowing money this summer. Got it for a few thousand, you know, no big deal.
You wanna start it for us, Nick?
Yeah, I know how to do that. You just take the you know, it doesn't want to be started right now. It's broken, I think. It needs
So it doesn't want to work right now.
What's wrong with it, I think.
So what do we do?
I think
So
my
what are we
dad
doing
broke it.
later after we snowmobile?
What?
What are we doing later after we snowmobile?
Watch the game.
Oh, okay.
Lucas.
D-Tyke's just moving.
Where's he at? Oh, he's over there.
Right there. Look at him. Coming in so, just so,
Look at him, he's just an expert, man.
zooming down.
It's almost really heavy.